Back at King's Dominion today, super excited to ride Pantherian. Alright.
Oh.
So, oh my gosh, I'm covering the camera. I'm so excited. We're headed straight back to Pantherian. First time this season, like, we're so excited. Like, I can't even explain it, and I know I'm saying like a lot, but I'm just so flabbergasted that it's finally open and that it had opened on like a random Thursday of all things. Oh well, here we go. Making our way downtown. Making our way to Pantherian. Is it Pantherian or Pantherian?
Pantherian, I think.
Because I keep like saying one over the other and I'm not really sure what it is. While we were waiting outside, we saw the elevator going up. So maybe Eiffel Tower is open. I know it's been open this season, but every time we come, it's not open. So maybe today's the day we get to go on it. There she blows. I'm so excited. Here we go. We're slowly approaching. We have marched our way back here. So hoping that it is up and running today. Here we are. Last time we were here, there was a man with an umbrella right there because Flight of Fear was closed, and of course Pantherian. So let's go.
Oh, it looks really nice down here.
This is so crazy. It's been over a year. There we go.
If you want to leave the door again, please put it on. Again, if you want to leave the door, please put it on.
Definitely worth the wait. Hands up. Awesome. Didn't black out this time, but my feet went numb. We're going right back into line. So they don't know. Just got off Intimidator for a second time, going to Flight of Fear. We waited, Intimidator like broke down. We waited in line forever, it was worth it. We rode Flight of Fear, it was awesome. Operations was really smooth today. We rode not Rapterra, I don't know where I am. We rode Pantherian twice. We waited for the maintenance break, like the seats wouldn't come up. That was pretty cool, I'd never seen that before, and it went on the maintenance track, which was pretty cool. But we're heading out to the rest of the park now. We're in line to ride Rapterra now. Reptilian. We just rode Rapterra. We had to wait a little bit, but it was worth the wait. The wait wasn't that long. I love this ride.
And that's not even the highest it goes.
Oh, that's just radical. I'm surprised that some idiots say, oh, we can make this way around.
There was one recently just like this that broke and injured a bunch of people.
Trying burritos for the first time here.
And it was 25% left.
You're what?
My
Salad
iCloud,
from
so, like,
burritos.
all my,
Getting ready to ride Racer. just rode Delirium and we just rode the carousel. So let's go. So we just rode Racer. It was kind of really rough today, but it was super nice. We were like in the third seat, but in the front car. So we're gonna continue through the rest of the park now. Getting ready to ride Grizzly. There's like a weather advisory right now, but looks sunny to me.
Hold on, play an injury right on the Grizzly.
We're in a weather advisory.
Is he coming?
Look. Oh my gosh.
You could see the storm.
I know, we were on Grizzly and we were getting ready to leave and there was like weather alerts coming through, but then they sent us as like the last train and we could see like the rain coming on when we got to the top of the hill, but like now like the alert is gone. So like we thought we were gonna be like the last ride of the day, but this day has been like crazy. I've been witnessing so many things I've never seen before here. Also shout out to the really cool people that sat in front of us and behind us on the ride. They were really fun to ride with. Whitewater Canyon and the log flume are closed for the weather advisory now, which the lady behind us on Grizzly was actually telling us she was in line for the log flume and they kicked everyone out of line. So this has just been a crazy day. I was just walking and I found this sign that someone had put in there. It says danger, gates open and close automatically. So I believe that this is closed too for the weather advisory, which is a bummer because I saw the elevator going up and down this morning. The last time I rode this was 2017. I don't think I'll ever go up it again because it's always closed.
Anything y'all want to do before we leave?
So we're making our way towards the front because it's like windy and overcast and we really think the rain is coming.
I mean, once stuff is wet, they have to wait for a lot of it to dry out.
I know. The storm. Thank you all so much for watching my King's Dominion vlog. I love doing these videos. This is like one of my happiest places on earth to visit. Witnessed a lot of weird stuff I'd never witnessed today that I really enjoyed, so that's a plus always. But thank you for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing, comment below, start a convo, and I will see you next Thursday.